Alright, Professor Dr. Tim Miller was saying that on the manzanita bushes, the stickiness captures insects, so they can be like bait for other predators that can also defend, I guess, like herbivory on the leaves of the manzanita. So that's really cool. At a morning hike. Right. All right, with Sarah and Ruth right now. You're the manzanita crew looking at, you guessed it, manzanitas. We are looking at the stickiness of the flower parts here and how that changes based on their phenology status. So, do the flowers early on, the early buds, have a stickier coating than the flowers that have already turned into fruit? That's what we're looking at. We got some tape on some trees over there because we're doing also an attraction experiment where we are testing with 3 cups if bugs are attracted to the scent of the manzanita bushes. So we put a cup with nothing in it, a cup with leaves and flowers, and then a cup with just leaves in it, and we're leaving it out. We covered it with a paper towel so they can't see what's inside it, and then we put a piece of tape face up across it to hopefully stick some arthropods and some insects on there. But all right, over and out. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. It's May 7th, out here with Sarah and Ruth. We have a research project on the manzanitas. We have our nifty data table here. The percent canopy cover, amount of carry-on, which is just the amount of dead insects on the bush, number of predators, number of leaf miners that we see, number of caterpillar caused damage. You have open flowers, buds, past flowers, bud stickiness level, open stickiness level, and past flower stickiness level. I'm just comparing the stage of the phenology to the level of stickiness on the trees and how that is connected. Right. On the parasitic snow plants of the pine trees